Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show how to create a chart using PowerPoint. Let's go! First write a text you want. For demo purposes I will create a life cycle of a frog. You can increase or decrease the text size here. Now right-click and choose Convert to Smart Art. There are lots of designs available for your data. Select accordingly. Also, you can choose color and style here. Here, I want that chart because of the pictures. To paste pictures, simply click on the pick icon on the shape. You browse local files or search from web. If you are searching from the web, make sure to respect the copyright policy. To crop a picture, go to the Picture Tools format and select Crop. Adjust according to requirements. Here we go. You can also reduce the size of the chart like this. Time to change color and style. Select as you like. And that's it. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.